On today's episode of WatchJRGo, welcome back to the abandoned mini resort. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, we are back here at the abandoned mini resort, or the cabin. And today we are going to knock out a bunch more work. So, as you guys saw yesterday, we got the back wall of the deck knocked down, and you can find, we got a view out finally, and it's pretty comfy over there. It's looking really nice. Over here in the shed, the mattresses are gone, and that's the only thing we've done over here. We could do some more cleaning, but obviously, like we talked about, we're probably gonna have to strip everything out of here, just throw it all away. So that's on the to-do list for later. I know a lot of you guys love this sign right there. So we'll go ahead and close this. We did find like a table saw up there in the loft, and I guess that was a bonus that came with the house. So let's head inside for an update here. There are some really big updates. There's a bird, and Eric took out this whole wall last night in like 5 minutes. Zach and I were assembling our new propane heater over there because it was in the back of my truck, and we walked back over here, and in a couple of minutes, this wall was down. And today, hopefully, the bathroom is gone as well. All these walls have to leave. Look at that. Unfinished sheetrock. This is crazy. Everything is gone back here. We got a great view. Here's all the original deck railing. It's crazy, we just threw all the rest of the deck railing in the dumpster because it was all still here. Tons of you commented that you wanted to save this range, so we saved the range. We're gonna go ahead and keep that. It's worth it. Wow, check out that professional electrical right there.
The 50 amp one? Yeah.
There's no 50 amp breaker, so I don't know what that was for. We got Billy here. Brought a roller magnet, cleaning everything up. Well, there's the update, guys. We're gonna get some work done here, get that range out, and just keep rocking and rolling.
Oh, it's been there for a while. Oh, that's nice. Save it. Oh.
We're almost to 360. Eventually the house will be gone too. No, I'm kidding. But just having this 180 view is pretty sweet. Zach's about done over there. A couple more seconds and that OSB can come off there. It's gonna look sweet. Obviously the deck's still getting rebuilt, but for now it looks cool. So we made a little bit of progress. You guys saw the entire inside of the roof coming off. Now the roof needs to come down, but it turns out it's 100% rotten. And there's 4 layers of shingles on top of the entire roof. They never took any off. They didn't ever re-roof it. They just kept putting more shingles on. So it got worse and worse and worse. And you can see that this is getting worse and worse and worse too. We got our fog machine right there. So, oh wow, that's just a hole in the roof through the shingles.
Just to give you an idea.
That's how bad this is. Anyway, we wondered why it was raining inside the deck while we were standing here. Everything is soaked because it was never properly roofed, and they just slapped metal over it to try to solve the problem. So, nothing's holding the roof up now except for that, and it's about to leave. So, we're gonna say goodbye. The only thing I'm worried about is the water hoses for the washer and dryer. This thing is so bouncy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Eric's gonna take a swing from below at that corner, and we're expecting this to just fall in. All right, goodbye, deck. I mean, we can stand here, but what happens if the house just goes with it?
I'm gonna run that way and trip on a nail that's sticking up.
I pulled
face plant.
I pulled all the nails out of the floor just a few minutes ago. So we're ready to rock and roll.
Well then, we should be okay.
Look at these wood floors now. It's getting better and better. So we are gonna try to refinish these, I think. We got a lot of trash to pull up over there. These walls all need to come down and the smoke's coming in. So I guess while that's going down, we can start ripping sheetrock down.
When we get this post out,
that it has enough weight that it just pulls out any screws that might still be up there from the shingles.
I like Eric's new plan of going underneath the deck and ripping the supports out. See if it falls.
Yeah.
Did that work? Oh, this is it. The whole house is moving. The whole deck, every time you take a hit. You're gonna have to climb up the hill. Oh, nothing happened. Oh, that's it, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Told you I should have got that other one first.
Run! Oh. This deck's invincible, dude. They put so many layers of wood on, there's nothing we can do about it.
Oh, I'm gonna drop the other side.
Eventually, you just get tired of deconstructing things, so Billy's here with his pole saw, and Eric is going to go under the deck and cut the supports out with the pole saw. Oh! Throw a rock at her. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, man. Oh, you got it.
Yeah, did a lot, didn't it?
Did a lot.
Hold that. Rock. Just a little.
Rock me. Oh!
Golly.
You got it.
Watch the roof. Watch the roof. That's what it hangs over.
You think the roof's gonna come this way?
It's slowly still falling.
Yeah. This is just a time lapse in real life. It's just slowly coming down. Hey! She's down. Dude, that roof is well supported. I gotta say.
It's not going too strong. I'm like doing it, I hear it, and I run. I know Zach, I can see him. He's just like.
He's just standing there. Dumb ways to die. Nice, Zach. Just took the roof off.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
Good job, Eric. Good job.
What did I do?
Good job.
You did all the roof work. This wouldn't even been possible. You separated that OSB from that OSB. You think this is it? You think? Am I going to take the whole roof out? You're in the clear though, so just.
Hey, just watch your leg though.
Nothing happened. You did it.
Now you gotta take the pole saw and cut that other.
The pulse. Oh, cut.
Yeah.
There's a few things holding it up still.
I need you to put your diesel on the fire and start pulling. You got full coverage. Liability only. My favorite part is that everyone approves of the burning. That is my favorite.
The whole neighborhood is like, we're glad you're burning all this
Yeah,
stuff.
you burning? We love burning. Hey Zach, where were you on that one?
Good job. I didn't have my pole saw. John Ross said don't bring anything.
Attaboy. Huh?
Now get the one out of your foot. That's the one that's holding
It
it.
is holding it up. Now jump on it. The whole deck.
No clip.
The whole deck falls. You know, you could probably ride the deck to safety if there's no roof on top of you.
Absolutely. I think I'll do that. Silver Surfer. Roof
It
surfer.
would be funny. He doesn't like
You know what might work is if he cuts that header right where that door was.
That header would help, yes. That will hold some weight.
Okay.
Good job, kid.
There goes that chainsaw blade.
This isn't taking very long, guys. Look at that. We're getting the original siding back to the outdoors where it belongs. And it looks like we're moments from this falling down. I'm gonna stand right here. I might stand right here. And then we'll be good. Who's using the bathroom?
What? Who's in the bathroom?
I guess you.
Oh. Hey, Eric, are you clear?
I wish you would move because I can get the whole thing.
Oh,
I can get the whole thing.
Okay, cut it. See what happens.
cut it. Here it goes. Maybe. Here it goes, maybe. Eric's got a big rock and he's gonna throw it at the deck.
I was.
You didn't get it.
Boy, howdy, Zach. You really got it.
Zach, while you're in there, sawzall the shower out for me. It's all metal.
Yeah.
Just cut it out.
Oh.
Put the tow strap on that, and then we hook it to the truck and back up.
That's a genius idea. I think that would work.
Just keep constant tension. Oh. It still didn't fall.
Oh, it's amazing.
This deck's invincible.
Hey, I could just, hey, I'll just go back up with the pull saw.
Give me the.
And then cut some of those.
Here you go.
Runners.
All right. Nailed it.
Gosh, this one's gonna get it, I think.
It was worth a try.
Ready? Go. Go. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hold on. I'll let you three boys do it. Zach had all the power.
He does. He's the power man. Yeah. Nice!
I could have got out, look! I would have
Right? You totally could have.
I would have made.
Oh man. All right guys, it's game time. Eric's hopping in the F-250. He's gonna back up, and as he backs up, the roof should just go right where it belongs. So, oh, will you take him the key? My truck doesn't, the new ones don't allow you to move without a key. So if our tree point there with that giant 4-inch wide strap, if that works out, this will just flop over and burn itself up, and everything will be great. Everything will be right with the world. All right, game time. Tension's on. Here it goes. It is gonna snap, isn't it? We might, they might slingshot this thing around. Run. This thing is cleaned up. But this is the last piece that's holding everything on, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that and we'll be good. Oh yeah, there we go, I solved
If
it.
it would have rolled forward into the pile, I would have given you all my money.
That's all it took for me to just flip the whole thing over.
Every one of the $13 in my bank account.
Yeah, I would have been rich. I would have been so rich with 13.
I would have given you Zach's money.
Oh, Zach, how much money do you have?
$17. That's $30.
I would have been very rich.
$17.65. So if you round up, $18.
All right.
I mean, the roof is fine. I mean, it didn't rip any of the sheeting off.
It didn't take any of the roof down. This house literally feels more secure and safe now. It's crazy.
We get John Ross's truck down.
We got to get the truck down there. I think we can use the tree as a...
So if we move all that metal, trim those trees to the right, you can, and the fire's down, we can get your truck down there, right?
Let's not, because the nails are intense. Can't say we don't work harder and not smarter, because we are pulling this thing over.
Is that wire dead?
You know, we don't know. We're just hoping. Woo! Guys, the deck is gone. We got it all torn down and thrown in the dumpster. Don't ask where it went. It's all gone. There's just a couple guys hanging out over there. Anyway, we cut that whole thing up into slices, put it in the dumpster, and it's gone now. So that took the whole day. That's what we've been doing. That's day 3 of the project. And we should be done with the dumpster after we do one more thing. We got to clean out underneath the house now that we can actually access it. So we're getting close. You guys having a good time?
Heck yeah, man, there ain't nothing like tearing down a deck off the back of a house.
And properly disposing of it in the dumpster?
It wasn't a deck,
yes, sir.
It was an add-on.
Well, whatever.
That was 200 square foot of house.
It was a deck though.
At one time.
Well, at the end of day 3, I would say we were hugely productive. Take a look at this. The dumpster has completely gone out at this point. So we are back inside the house to finish up the last few things. And by the last few things, I mean these countertops, all of that stuff on the wall over there, and this entire bathroom will be gone tomorrow. There will be nothing left inside this house for the most part. And that's literally the 3rd day. So we're doing pretty well so far. In a few more days, well, by the end of the month or something like that, hopefully we'll have really turned this place around. So, That is it for today, guys. A huge thank you to Billy for coming to help, and for, you know, obviously Eric, Zach, the whole crew here, knocking out a ton of stuff. I can't even open the back door anymore because you would just fall out, even though that used to be a bedroom door. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Today we're in the true late night hours, but we have turned this place around. It's not bad to walk outside anymore. All those propane tanks are going away, and this will look pretty clean. And honestly, today we've just been hanging out and meeting the neighbors because we cleaned the place up and everybody stopped by and checked it out. They were like, "You pulling that deck off the house?" And we were like, "Yeah, it's off and it's gone now." So we have been doing some work. That's what we did today. It was a lot of fun.